I know you're not a crypto investor, but the fear that because of margin calls, people might have to sell stocks to pay off their crypto debts doesn't appear that's the case right now. How closely, if at all, are you watching what goes on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc.?
Sure, it's an interesting part of the market, and we consider it almost part of the holy trinity of ARK funds, Tesla, and Bitcoin, and how they all seem very correlated these days. And one of the things we have to look at is you can't be a little upset if you're speculating and you get burned. So some of this with Bitcoin having the rapid rise that it's had over the last 18 months, as you pointed out, it's given back a lot of the gains. We're not too concerned yet. You know, there's a really strong support around 30,000 on Bitcoin. It actually held midweek last week when it had the major sell-off, and you saw it hold again over the weekend. You know, you had news coming out of potential China regulations, and then potentially the IRS trying to make people report transactions over 10,000. You certainly had some news that rattled the market, but if you look at it, it fundamentally doesn't change what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency could be. And people look at that as a way of holding value. Is it the new digital gold? It's a way of getting away from monetary policy and central banks. And if you look at it and say nothing's broken in the protocol, crypto market is still a new Wild West, you kind of have to look at some of these drawbacks. And if you're a crypto believer, you're more of a buyer of these dips necessarily than seller. But as you pointed out, Ethereum now is becoming a little bit of a bigger name than Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is only one of hundreds of different cryptos out there. So it's yet to be seen exactly how crypto will integrate into our lives, other than this digital store of value, helping maybe protect you from the US dollar falling, which is what many people see this as.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.